à HS Production et à PIKLIZ pour bel événement ça yo. Jazzy Thursday. Il y a un paquet qui fait déjà. Ce sera à la Mesa à Kendall le 25 septembre. Et cette fois-ci, l'artiste invité c'est Michou, bien sûr accompagné de Mushy et de en série de l'autre grand nom de la musique. Alors bonsoir, merci d'être là. Yes. Parce que moi, je fais jouer pour contre moi.
Ouais, voilà.
Continuez.
Dis-moi qui doit artiste qui la Mushy.
Ouais, on va continuer. Non, les artistes qui sont là, c'est Jean Kaz, c'est T-West au tambour,
Arvel
Nakundi, et puis Aaron Libre.
Et Aaron Libre sur la guitare.
Voilà. Alors, Michou, comment, pour les gens qui ne connaissent pas, il y a des gens qui ne connaissent pas, parce qu'il y a dans plusieurs albums.
Je te connais.
Dis-moi, comment tu décris ton genre de musique?
Well, definitely rhythmic, definitely percussive. The message is basically the melody. Faithfully, I'll be able to have a better description, of my music after we begin producing.
Oh, okay.
And getting up into that field. I have so many different influences and inflections of sound. I'm an Afrobeat connoisseur and appreciator.
Ooh.
And that basically significantly comes from Haiti's percussive movement. It comes from Africa. And I think, be it that I'm doing contemporary ballads or jazz or whatever type of style, I think there's an undercurrent of tribal percussive influx and movement in my sound.
This is what we can expect for the 25th.
Well, it's Jazzy Thursday.
It's Jazzy Thursday.
So what I like to do is reinterpret pieces that I like, that I enjoy, some of which are considered as jazz standards, some covers or covers that I can reinterpret in my jazz façon, Mushy being highly evolved in sound.
Oh, yes.
In interplanetary sound.
No.
Cosmic sound movement.
I'm coming from Mars.
Yes, definitely.
He definitely gets me.
That.
He gets me.
But a good Martian.
Yeah, he's a great Martian.
Talent.
He definitely connects with his mutual music Martian, but he is able to appreciate where I'm coming from.
It's jazz, it's R&B, it's soul.
It's got a little ska up in it.
It's ska.
Est-ce que son événement va chauffer ou bien qu'il va cool?
Oh, il va chauffer.
Il va chauffer.
No, there's majority of the music that you choose to do. There are things based upon beats, very strong beats and everything. It's very strong beat. Probably she will do eventually 1 or 2 or 3 songs that are gonna be like medium temp, things like that. But
son événement chauffé.
C'est pas un bagage comme si une date vous levez des mains en l'air.
Non, Mushy madame là.
Not exactly. No, not really. It's not that I don't like it, but it's
just that it's not your style.
It's not my morning cup of tea.
Can we have a little sneak peek of your talent right now? Can we?
A little. Told you I could read your mind, would you let me in so that I can tell you all about it? I'm your faithful friend. Oh, you bless me just by being you. I can't remember fiending for a special kind of truth. Give thanks, 'cause you represent. There's a sister who knows you're breathing. There's a lover that knows you're there. And wherever you go, do believe it, you are being missed somewhere. For every candle that glows, you be gleaming. And I know you really know that you bear. Oh, it is to bestow your healing. Believe you're being missed somewhere. La la la, la la la. Talk to me about your religion and how you came to free me. You signify the truth in all I believe. You're reminding me of who I've been. I've walked with the shadows of my many lives. I've come to understand. Need to touch and go, pass off the past, reliving who I am. There's a lover that stands undefeated. There's another that shows you care. Oh, and wherever you go, do believe it, you are being missed somewhere. If you could read my mind, all I ask of you is to hold me. Everything you do, it's like you've always known that. Yeah, yeah. If you could read my mind, all I ask of you is to hold me. Everything you do.
I understand why you played with her. So,
Now you understand.
beaucoup de succès, on te souhaite
Merci
énormément de succès. Et on rappelle à tous les téléspectateurs, you have to be there at La Mesa on September 25th at 7 p.m. Buy your tickets on holdmyticket.com. Voilà. Mushy, merci d'être venu. Merci à toi, Michou.
I appreciate you.
Et puis à
Thank
très
you.
bientôt.
Oui, c'est clair.
Voilà. Mesdames et messieurs, j'espère que vous avez passé un très bon moment en compagnie de Michou Angus et Mushy Widmaier. Notre prochain rendez-vous est fixé à la semaine prochaine. Bonsoir.